All of us are here to condole the sad demise of Shri Sushant Singh, the former minister in our state government, who is known for his competence, his integrity, and his honesty. All of us are here at our party office to condole this sad demise. The state education minister, Shri Gon, as you know, there have been a number of mistakes in the textbooks of the students in our state. He should follow the example of Shri Dharmendra Pradhan and resign from his post as education minister. That is what the Biju Janata Dal
DTV ओडिया देखिवा पई सब्सक्राइब करंतु एवं बेल आइकन को मध्य दबाई दियंतु।